Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top 10 monthly favorites. So these are the products that I've been using from past 1 month, and if you're interested in seeing what are they, then please keep on watching. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video, you'll get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Now without rambling much, let's get started. Okay, let's get started with product number 1. Now I have been on a hunt for a good foaming face wash, and after trying so many options, finally I found this one. This is the Pond's Bright Beauty Foaming Face Wash, and I was so impressed with this one, so I thought of including this one in my favorites video. One of the most significant benefit of this particular face wash that it's suitable for all skin type. So no matter what skin type you have, be it oily, combination or dry, you can use this one, and this makes it really versatile so that each and everyone can use this. The foam of this face wash is quite unique, different, yet very gentle on the skin. It cleanses my skin so well without drying out my skin. It doesn't strip off the moisture from my skin because it has 6% of glycerin. It helps to hydrate and refresh my skin, leaving it soft and supple. The texture of this face wash is very lightweight, it's creamy, it lathers into a rich foam. This has a very subtle, refreshing fragrance to it that I absolutely love, and I love how it makes my skin feel. I have made it a part of my morning skincare routine, and the results have been so impressive. It makes my skin look so glowy, dewy, hydrated, yet fresh and clean. So after waking up in the morning, my skin looks so refreshed. Another reason why I love this foaming face wash because of the ingredient it has. It has niacinamide that makes my skin look so glowy, dewy, nice, hydrated. It doesn't dry up my skin, and it keeps my skin look healthy and fresh even after a long tiring day. This can be used twice a day, in the morning as well as before going to the bed. Now if you ask me, overall I would highly recommend this Pond's Bright Beauty Foaming Face Wash to each and every one of you. If you are looking for an effective, gentle yet versatile face wash for everyday use, I think you should definitely try this one out. This has been a staple in my skincare routine, and I think you are gonna love it too. Moving on to product number 2, which is this one. This is the BBlunt Hair Fall Control Shampoo. It strengthens and reduces hair fall. This has pea protein and caffeine. Now it retails for 399 rupees, and you are getting 300 ml of product. I've been using it from past 1 month, and oh my god, it's such a beautiful shampoo. If you are facing hair fall or hair loss issues, and if you have oily scalp just like me, just try this one out. So this is the shampoo I've used on my hair today, and you guys can see how beautiful it looks. So yeah, if you're looking for a good shampoo for your hair fall or hair loss issues, then definitely try this one out. The next product that I have is a body mist from Plum, and this is the Plum Bodylovin body mist in the variant Everythin Plum, and this is one of their newest launch, and I love the fragrance it has. Now this has a really nice fruity fragrance to it, which I'm absolutely loving this summer season. I really like their Trippin' Mimosas variant as well, but this is something I've been using a lot lately, so yeah, highly recommend this one. Next I have a body lotion, and this is also from Plum Bodylovin, and this is in the variant Tropical Tango. Now as the name says, it's a gel body lotion, so it's really lightweight, gel-like. It doesn't feel heavy, sticky or greasy on the skin. It doesn't feel uncomfortable, and this smells so beautiful. Now it has a beautiful summery fruity fragrance to it, and if you're someone who likes fruity fragrances, then I'm sure you're gonna love this one. Plus it makes my skin feel so hydrated and moisturized, plus it's not uncomfortable at all. And look at the packaging, it's perfect for summer. Then I have this beautiful sunscreen right here, which is my absolutely favorite, and I've been using it from past 2 months. So this is the Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. This has SPF of 50, PA+++. It doesn't leave any white cast. It feels so hydrating, calming and cooling on the skin. I absolutely love it. It blends into the skin in seconds, and it's so comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel heavy, sticky, greasy or uncomfortable. It doesn't irritate my eyes. Overall a really good sunscreen, and also this is suitable for all skin types. So no matter what skin type you have or what skin concern you have, this is going to suit you. Now guys, I have just one bonus product for you, which is a hair care product, and I've been using it non-stop from past 2 months. So this is something I wanted to mention in this particular video, which is the L'Oreal Professionnel Absolut Repair Oil. This is a hair serum. You can apply it as your hair oil, you can apply it as your hair serum. This works as your heat protectant. Now this is a hair serum I'm obsessed with and I'm using it non-stop. So this retails for around 1200 rupees. I know this is a little expensive, but this is totally worth your every single penny, because you are getting around 90 ml of product and you just need 1 or 2 drops of it. Okay, so I apply it every single day and it makes my hair so soft, smooth, frizz-free and shiny. I absolutely love it. So if you are looking for a good hair serum, you should definitely try this one out. It doesn't weigh down my hair, it makes my hair so soft and silky, and when I touch my hair it feels so smooth. I absolutely love it. If you have budget, then definitely try this one out. Moving on to the exciting part, which is makeup, and today I have a couple of makeup products for you. So starting off with this one, so this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade 5. Now I got the smaller size because I didn't know how this is going to work on me, and this is quite expensive. Otherwise it's a really nice product, and the downside is it doesn't come with a spoolie. So this has a really nice thin tip. It makes my brows look really nice and structured. It's not extremely creamy or extremely dry, so it has the perfect formulation. Now overall this is a really nice product. I do like it. I do like the formulation and how it makes my brows look. It has a perfect formulation for your brows, and they have just killed it with this particular product. Now do I recommend this one? Not the smaller size, but I would recommend you to go with the full size. So yeah, overall this is a really nice product, and now I know what the hype is all about. Next I have this Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. I have the shade 05. Now I think 03 is a perfect match for me, but as this has SPF, so it looks a little whitish on me for some reason. So I went with the shade 05 and it matches me perfectly. By the way, it comes with SPF of 50, which is a great thing. This is a skin tint, so it's really lightweight on the skin. Along with SPF of 50, it also has vitamin C. Now I know a lot of people who don't like applying foundations or concealers in summer because sometimes it feels too heavy and too uncomfortable. So a skin tint is perfect for you because it makes your skin look like your skin but better, and it's very comfortable on the skin. It sets on its own, and also this is waterproof and sweat proof, so even if you sweat a lot, this is not gonna melt off. Then I have 2 blushes right here, and I've been using them non-stop, and trust me, these are perfect for the summer season. The first one that I have is from Colorbar, and this is the Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Rosy Peach. Look at that. This is a beautiful nudish rosy peach color. It looks so stunning on your cheeks, and look at the color. It's so pretty. It's suitable for all Indian skin tone. Even if you are from a deeper dusky skin family, definitely try this one out. You are gonna love this. And the next one that I have is from K Beauty, and this is in the shade Soft Nude. It's a beautiful nude shade blush. It looks so beautiful on Indian skin tone. I love the formulation. I love the texture. It's so lightweight yet very pigmented. It doesn't, you know, fade off from your cheeks, and look at the color. It looks so pretty, suitable for all Indian skin tone. So these are the 2 blushes I would highly recommend. And lastly, I have this cutesy product for you, which is a lip and cheek tint from Mamaearth. This is the Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint with vitamin C, and this is in the shade 01 Beet Red. This is what I'm wearing on my lips today, and it's a beautiful shade. It looks so natural on your lips. It doesn't feel drying. It looks beautiful on your lips, on your cheeks, on your eyes, and I love this particular shade because it looks really natural on me. I hope you guys can see. It looks so pretty yet very natural on my lips. It just looks like my lips but better. So yeah, if you are looking for a lip and cheek tint that looks really natural on your skin, then try this one out. It's totally worth your money. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Definitely let me know if you want me to create more such videos. I would love to do that for you. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.